In this video, we will test the functionality of temperature control with on-off controller in subject control system and PLC. It is practical number 5. So, in this experiment, we have to test the functionality of temperature controlling of on-off controller. For this experiment, we should know the concept of on-off controller, significance of on-off controller. So what is on-off controller? It is a basic controller, and in this controller it is having only two states, either on or off. So this on-off controller, it will accept the theoretical value of temperature. It will accept the temperature, and this temperature, it will be controlled automatically. In this controller, RTD or thermocouple is used as input, and this thermocouple, it will compare actual input to desired value, and it will provide an output to control element. So this controller is used when we do not need a precise control, and it cannot handle having the energy turned on and turn off frequently. So for this particular experiment, refer this diagram. In this diagram, desired temperature is provided on left hand side to error detector, and output temperature is given to error detector. It is then provided to heater, and this heater will be turned on and turned off as per the requirement. It is a theoretical sample diagram. So actual setup, we will see what is actual setup. So in actual setup, refer this kit of temperature measurement using RTD. In this kit, this is RTD, this is RTD for measurement of temperature, and it is on-off supply. This kit is operated by 230 volt AC supply. This is AC supply. AC means this kit, it is having adjustment, zero adjustment, this is gain adjustment, and it is SP, set point adjustment. LED indicator, light emitting diode, LED 7-segment display, 4 7-segment displays to indicate various values. So this is a setup. On right hand side, by using this, we can connect external peripheral to this kit to control value of temperature. This knob is for selecting set point or temperature value, temp or SP. To select temperature or SP, we will use this knob. Now in this experiment, it is a theoretical procedure given. In this process, we will overview this process. Actual process or actual procedure is different than the theoretical. So in actual procedure, step number 1 is connect the kit or configure the kit and make the necessary adjustment. Or in other words, when we make use of this kit, we have to connect this kit to this particular value, and by using zero adjustment we have to make this value 0. Second is calibrate by using calibration resistance, make this value equal to 100. And in third step, connect RTD to this point A. Now you can observe temperature of this RTD is 35 or around 36 degrees Celsius. It is external temperature of this RTD. In first step, we have to calibrate this on-off switch, on-off controller. In step 2, we have to select the set point SP. So by using this knob SP adjustment, we will see case number 1, case 1. In first case, SP equal to 20 degrees Celsius and PV equal to 35 degrees Celsius. So in this situation, as you can observe, by using this RTD, we have measured the temperature value of this container. Value of this container is 36 degrees Celsius. Value of this container is 36 degrees Celsius and SP is around 22 or 23 degrees Celsius. So SP is less than actual value. So LED is off. In this case, LED is in off state. In this case, consider case number 2. SP equal to 40 degrees Celsius and required value desired value set point is 40 degrees Celsius. It is equal to desired value and present value of temperature is 36 degree Celsius. म्हणजेच काय, आपल्याला 40 डिग्री सेल्सिअस टेम्परेचर हे रिक्वायर्ड आहे. प्रेझेंट व्हॅल्यू आहे 36 डिग्री सेल्सिअस, 36 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. तर या केसमध्ये काय होते हे आपण ऑब्झर्व करूया. SP is 40 degree Celsius. So as you can observe, this device it turned on automatically. LED, sorry, not LED, bulb inside this container turn on and temperature go on increasing. LED also on. So this controller, it will turn on this container. It will turn on the LED inside this container. LED, not LED, bulb. After attending the desired value, this LED, sorry, not LED, the bulb will turn off automatically. म्हणजेच काय, आपल्याला 40 डिग्री व्हॅल्यू आवश्यक होती. प्रेझेंट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टेम्परेचर होती 36 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. हे टेम्परेचर अटेंड केल्यानंतर काय होणार, या कंटेनरच्या आतला जो बल्ब आहे तो ॲटोमॅटिकली ऑफ होईल. बट हिअर दी एरर इज 3 डिग्री सेल्सिअस बिकॉज desired value is 40 degree Celsius and present value is 43 degree Celsius. Instead of this oven, you can connect a liquid container or any other device through this 240 volt AC supply. Now refer the manual. Resources used, so RTD kit is used in this case along with an oven. Observation table, set point we have to write here, and heater is on or off. These two conditions we have to observe.